Please enhance your video quality. Please enhance your video quality. Question number 1. Noor forgot to bring her tiffin to school and asked Tanaya to share her tiffin, saying, "You should share your tiffin with me today because I shared my tiffin with you yesterday." According to Lawrence Culver's theory of moral development, no statement represents. Option number 4 is the right answer. Option number 4 is the right answer. Exchange orientation, typical at conventional stage. Noor forgot to bring her tiffin to school and asked Tanaya to share her tiffin, saying, "You should share your tiffin with me today because I shared my tiffin. Shared my tiffin with you yesterday." According to Lawrence Culver's theory of moral development, Noor's statement represents exchange orientation, typical at conventional stage. Question number 2. Widely held belief about typified characteristics deemed appropriate for different sexes in the society are referred to as. Question number 4 is the right answer. Question number 4 is the right answer. Gender stereotypes. Gender stereotypes. Widely held belief about typified characteristics deemed appropriate for different sexes in the society are referred to as gender stereotypes. Question number 3. Recently, there have been conscious effort to include stories in curriculum where father is involved in household works and mother is doing adventure activities. This move is important because option number 2 is the right answer. Option number 2 is the right answer. It aims to eliminate gender stereotyping. It aims to eliminate gender stereotyping. Recently, there have been conscious efforts to include stories in curriculum where father is involved in household works and mother is doing adventure activities. This move is important because it aims to eliminate gender stereotyping. Question number 4. Question number 4. According to Lev-Vygotsky, when adults adjust the support to extend the child's current level of performance, it is called option number 3 is the right answer. Option number 3 is the right answer. Scaffolding. According to Vygotsky, when adults adjust support to extend their child's current level of performance is called scaffolding. Question number 5. According to Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, hypothetical deductive reasoning develops during option number 4 is the right answer. Formal operational stage. According to Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, hypothetical deductive reasoning develops during formal operational stage. Question number 6. According to option number 3 is the right answer. According to Lev-Vygotsky, it is important to understand the social progress and influence of the cultural context on children's thinking. According to Lev-Vygotsky, it is important to understand the social process and influence of the cultural context of child's thinking. Question number 7. Drawing implications from Piaget's theory of cognitive development. A teacher of grade 6 to 8 in his classroom should, option number 2 is the right answer, present problems that require reasoning based solution. Present problems that require reasoning based solution. Question number 8. Question number 8. As per Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, as per Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, what would be the characteristics of a person with logico-mathematical intelligence? Logico-mathematical intelligence. Option number 4 is the right answer. Sensitivity to and capacity to detect patterns, handle long chains of reasoning. Sensitivity to and capacity to detect patterns, handling long chains of reasoning. Question number 9. Question number 9. The process by which children develop habits, skill, values and motives that makes them responsible, productive members of society is called, option number 1 is the right answer. 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 Question number 9. The process by which children develop habits, skill, value and motives that make them responsible, productive members of society is called socialization. It's called socialization. Question number 10. Which of the following statements about the role of heredity and environment in human development is correct? Option number 4 is the right answer. Heredity and environment both influence human development in a complex interplay. Which, question number 10, which of the following statements about the role of heredity and environment in human development is correct? Option number 4 is the right answer. Heredity and environment both influences human development in a complex interplay. Question number 11. Question number 11. In a progressive classroom, knowledge is constructed by the learner. Option number 1 is the right answer. In a progressive classroom, knowledge is constructed by the learner. In a progressive classroom, knowledge is constructed by the learner. In a progressive classroom, knowledge is constructed by the learner. Question number 12. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation includes, option number 4 is the right answer, both formative and summative assessments using a wide variety of strategy. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation includes both formative and summative assessment using a wide variety of strategy. Question number 13. A student in your class has been told again and again from different sources that people from his social group typically perform poorly in academic. To reduce the impact of this stereotype and resultant stereotype threat, a teacher's initial step can be, option number 4 is the right answer. Option number 4 is the right answer. Presenting stories and examples of role models from different social groups. Question number 13. A student in your class has been told again and again from different sources that people from his social group typically perform poorly in academic. To reduce the impact of this stereotype and resultant stereotype threat, a teacher initial step can be, option number 4 is the right answer, presenting stories and examples of role models from different social groups. Question number 14. In an inclusive classroom, a teacher should, Option number 1 is the right answer. We believe that every child has a potential to learn as per their abilities and strength. In an inclusive classroom, a teacher should believe that every child has a potential to learn as per their ability and strength. Question number 15. A student shows the following signs in the classroom: anxiety around reading, difficulty in recognize words or letter, poor vocabulary skill, difficulty with understanding or remembering what was read. There are an indication of option number 3 is the right answer. Option number 3 is the right answer. A student with learning disability. A student with learning disability. Question number 16. Question number 16. A teacher can address needs of specially abled learners in an inclusive classroom by option number 4 is the right answer. Developing specific learning objectives based on an analysis of each student's learning strength and weakness. Developing specific learning objectives based on an analysis of each student's learning strength and weakness. Question number 17. A teacher can encourage creative learners in her classroom by encouraging multiple perspectives and appreciating original idea. A teacher can encourage creative learners in her classroom by encouraging multiple perspectives and appreciating original ideas. Question number 18. Which of the following factors supports meaningful learning in her classroom? In the classroom, showing genuine interest in the context matter and having concern for children's overall well-being and learning. Which of the following, question number 18, which of the following factors supports meaningful learning in classroom? Showing genuine interest in the content matter and having concern for children's overall well-being and learning. Question number 19. Question number 19. An example of effective problem solving strategy is an example of effective problem solving strategy is means and analysis dividing the problem into number of sub goals. Question number 20. Question number 20. Which of the following is not an effective strategy for teaching learning? Focusing on reproduction of knowledge as given. Option number 4 is the right answer. Which of the following is not an effective strategy for teaching learning? Focusing on reproduction of knowledge as given. Question number 21. How can teachers deal with children who are non-attentive in the classroom? Question number 3 is the right, option number 3 is the right answer. Talk to them and find out reasons for their disinterest. Option number 3 is the right answer. Option number 3 is the right answer. How can teachers deal with children who are non-attentive in the classroom? Talk to them and find out reason for their disinterest. Question number 22. Constructive approaches suggest that option number 1 is the right answer. Prior knowledge of the learner is crucial for constructing knowledge. Constructive approach suggests that prior knowledge of the learner is crucial for constructing knowledge. Constructive approach suggests that prior knowledge of the learner is crucial for constructing knowledge. Question number 23. Children, question number 23. Children construct native theory about various phenomena. Children construct native theories about various phenomena. In this background, a teacher should challenge these conceptions of the children through dialogues. Option number 1 is the right answer. Question number 23. Children construct native theories about various phenomena. In this background, a teacher should, option number 1 is the right answer, challenge these conceptions of the children through dialogue. Question number 24. Question number 24. The relationship between cognition and emotion is option number 4 is the right answer. Bidirectional, a dynamic interplay between both. Bidirectional. The relationship between cognition and emotion is bidirectional, a dynamic interplay between both. Question number 25. Which of the following factors affect learning? Which of the following factors affect learning? Option number 4 is the right answer. Option number 4 is the right answer. I, 2I, 3I, all are correct. Interest of the student, emotional health of the student, pedagogical strategy, social and cultural construct of the student. So, option number 4 is the right answer. Question number 26. Question number 26. Social interaction are an important aspect of the process of meaningful construction of knowledge. 26. Option number 1 is the right answer. Social interactions are an important aspects of process of meaningful construction of knowledge. Question number 27. Question number 27. When student repeatedly engage in an activity such as design and conduct an experiment to earn a reward that is not directly related to the activity, such as earn a star or badged, they are likely to develop materialistic attitude towards learning. When students repeatedly engage in an activity to earn a reward that is not directly related to, they are likely to. Option number 1 is the right answer. Develop materialistic attitude towards learning. Question number 28. Question number 28. The concept of childhood is. Option number 2 is the right answer. A social construction according to contemporary socio-constructive theories. The concept of childhood is a social construction according to contemporary socio-constructive theories. Option number 2 is the right answer. Question number 29. Which of the following characterize the period of middle childhood? Option number 3 is the right answer. Children begin to think logically but concretely. Which of the following characterize the period of middle childhood? Option number 3 is the right answer. Children begin to think logically but concretely. Question number 30. Family and neighborhood are primary socializing agency. Family and neighborhood are primary socializing agency. Thank you very much.